Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, an interesting feature has come up now, that is how to make this kind of very high quality Ghibli style photos from your normal photos. So as you can see, this is one of my family Ghibli photos. So how beautifully it has been done in Ghibli style. How to do that in your photo, I'll tell you here. So here what you need to do is simply open, for example, simply open your ChatGPT and log in to your ID. I'm not showing you how to open. You can go for this website. If you can see chatgpt.com, I'm just showing you. So here simply go for ChatGPT and you'll be landing in this page. So what you have to do is you simply have to click on this plus icon. So once you click here, upload from computer, simply upload the photo that you want to create Studio Ghibli style photo. So for example, I want to use this photo of mine to convert it into Studio Ghibli style. Before that, I just want to show you how the normal photo looks. This is a real photo of me. It is not a posterized or cartoonized photo. So how to convert it into a cartoon Ghibli photo? Let us see. So simply I have to select, once again I say you, click on this plus, upload from computer, and if you are using your mobile, it is the same process. If you have ChatGPT app, so simply click on this photo and write a prompt. This is very important. You have to simply write this prompt, that is show me in Studio Ghibli, Ghibli. This you have to write Ghibli. Remember the spelling, or if possible note it down, pause it and note it down. Style. Show me in Studio Ghibli style. Simply press here. So let us see what it shows. So once you do that, it will start generating image. It will take a little bit of time. If you can see, it is writing that getting started. It might take like 1 or 2 minutes. And as of now, there are news that a lot of people are doing this photo or Ghibli style images. So it is putting a lot of load on the servers of ChatGPT. At this peak time usage of this Ghibli style photograph, it might take a little bit more time. But hopefully after some days or weeks, it may get settled down and you can probably very easily start creating this kind of images. So as you can see, it is writing getting started. So it is almost in the process of making a beautiful cartoonized picture of mine, and let us see. So as you can see, image is created and a very cute cartoon posterized picture of mine is made by ChatGPT. So you can see there are two options, like to download. It is downloaded. Let me see the downloaded image. Yeah, so I'll just show you both the image side by side. For example, this is the image, and if you can see, this is the original image. Once again I show you, this is the real human image and this is the Ghibli image. So how cutely or beautifully it has transformed my real image into this original image. You can see the thing is, it took me exactly 2 minutes for processing or converting my real image into this Ghibli image. So it might take the same, more or less the same time for yours too. Just have patience. And right now it is allowing 1 or 2 images per login to create Ghibli, because of the pressure that people throughout the world are creating images right now. Maybe after some days it will settle down and it could be able to make more and more images. So friends, that's it. I hope you found a very interesting feature today of ChatGPT, that is how to create Ghibli images. So friend, that's it. Keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.